Good morning everyone. Today is Christmas Eve and I wasn't going to put out a video, but I said, you know what, let me just put something out there because I'll probably take a little break over the Christmas period. And I decided that I'm going to the beach yet again. Now the beach is opened this Monday gone. I've only missed one day, I believe Tuesday if I'm not mistaken. You know I'm a beach junkie. And I said, I'll just make a simple video, nothing high effort, nothing too long, but I'll carry you guys to the beach with me today. I'm going to surf. Me and my friends do is we go for a Christmas Eve surf every year if possible, of course. Thank God this year it is actually possible because it was not looking so up to a while ago. As you can see behind me and above me and everywhere around me, the weather is absolutely beautiful. So I'm hoping this stays the way. It was supposed to be cloudy, the weather upside rain and storm and things. So I know what's going on, but I'm taking this beautiful blue skied weather. So come along with me. Let's have one little last YouTube trip together and then enjoy your Christmas period, your Boxing Day period, and then hopefully come January I'm back on my YouTube grind again. Lots of fun stuff to come in the next year. Thank you very much for all you who have supported me and watched this channel, subscribed, liked, shared. It's been a wild year, a big journey, and I have a lot more to come. So much more to explore, especially now that the beaches are open. So yeah, without further ado, let's go and take a surf. Let's check out the beaches. Have a great day guys. Come along with me. Let's go. So I just take a stop at Maracas. Interesting fact that Maracas is actually one of my least favorite beaches in Trinidad. I don't not like it, but as I started to surf when I was younger, I definitely got a real taste for like Toco and Blanchisseur's Las Cuevas side. So I always kind of found Maracas to be, well, first of all, Maracas is not a good spot for surfing, so that immediately kind of writes it off to me. But I kind of started to enjoy the more spaced out beaches, the less popular beaches, the beaches without like build up and food and that kind of stuff. But that's just a very personal thing too. I know a lot of people just love Maracas, and I'll tell you what, Maracas is absolutely stunning, and it is really like convenient when you could get all your amenities and all your food and everything. It's a great lineman beach, and I've seen Maracas like completely empty, and it's just as beautiful as any beach in this country. I love this spot. I often come here and take pictures. I just look out and have a first look when I'm on my way up to the beach. So we just reached Cuevas, and big surprise, it's starting to rain. The weather switches up real quick on us here, but small thing, I'm gonna be wet anyway, but so a little side note too, if you're coming Las Cuevas these days, I nearly fell twice trying to say this. The point is that it's very slippery. Because the track has not been maintained recently, obviously because the beaches have been closed, it's been like super muddy and overgrown. They just cut it, but for some reason like a lot of moss and different things have grown on the track, so it's, especially if you're wearing slippers, it's even more slippery to walk down. So be very careful if you're coming Cuevas these days. Watch out for the slippery track. Alright guys, so we just reached onto Las Cuevas. It's where it's drizzling, but it's also sunny, so I'm just going to take advantage of that. I'm going to rack up the GoPro onto my board now, so no more talking, which I'm sure you're happy for. And we're just going to go and take a little surf, catch some waves. It's not big, it's simple, it's a very easy day, so it's just to have fun. And yeah, that'll be pretty much it. So this is my send-off for Christmas Eve, and I'm going to get out of that water now. And I love it out there. Alright guys, so that's the end of the video. Thank you very much again for all the love and support in 2021. 2022 we go in again. So much to explore in Trinidad, so much to see, so much culture, so much food, so many beaches, so many waterfalls, so many rivers. I hope you have a very safe Christmas and a happy new year if I don't see you before then. Again, big love and respect for all the subscribing, the liking and the sharing of these videos. You give me the motivation to keep going, and I'm really flattered and grateful for all of the love and support that you have shown me for this entire year. So yeah, that's the end of my video. I'm just at Maracas Lookout picking up some plantain chips for my wife before she beat me when I go home. And yeah, have a great Christmas everybody. Thank you again for this journey. I hope you enjoyed this little beach tour and surfing tour, and I hope that you get to go to the beach if you haven't in recent times yet. Get out there, explore. Big up, one love. Have a great Christmas, New Year's and 2022 everybody. Big things to come for all of us. Thank you again. Peace out.